Looking for a fantastic place to live your student life to the fullest in New York? The Heritage New York Student Housing Accommodation awaits you with an ideal package including everything one requires to feel like home away from home. The Heritage New York City Student Housing Accommodation offers you 4 and 5 bedroom shared apartments. Both of them provide a private bedroom with a study table and an open wardrobe. Apart from that, you get a shared kitchen and a washroom. The dining area is furnished with luxurious sofas and a television. To add to all these features, well-renowned universities such as the City College of New York and Columbia University are just a short ride away from the residence. For adventurous souls, the locality is filled with exciting places such as the museums of the City of New York and historical landmarks such as the Bullock House and the Ravine are also a few blocks away from the property. For party animals, there are ample restaurants and bars where you can go, chill, relax, and bond with your loved ones. Maxwell Central Park, Wimpy's, and Kalina Bar Corp are just a short walk away for you to tear down all your food cravings. Sounds amazing already, isn't it? Just seal the deal, grab your heels, and visit amberstudent.com now.